Good morning, my dear students. I J Kumar once again before you with today's topic. And topic already I have written on the board, Mendeleev's classification of elements. So far, my dear students, we saw classification of Lavoisier, Dobereiner and Newlands. Now, Mendeleev's classification of elements. Students, Mendeleev was a famous Russian chemist, and at the time of Mendeleev, the number of elements were 63. So, to classify these 63 elements were a challenge before Mendeleev. But students, Mendeleev accepted the challenge and he classified elements by correlating the properties of elements with their atomic mass. By correlating the properties of elements with their atomic masses, Mendeleev classified all the 63 elements of his time. Students, while Mendeleev classifying elements, he was guided by two factors. So, guiding factors were two, and first was increasing atomic mass, and second similar properties. Students, Mendeleev was guided by these two factors while classifying all the 63 elements. Although Mendeleev arranged elements on the basis of their increasing atomic masses, but he gave a special emphasis on the similar properties of the elements, because Mendeleev thought that atomic mass of element might be wrong, but property of elements cannot be wrong, and that's why he somewhere, while classifying elements, somewhere he ignored the increasing atomic mass and he gave a special focus on the similar properties of elements, and that's why he succeeded to classify all the 63 elements. Okay, students, Mendeleev arranged elements on the basis of their increasing atomic mass and followed the rule of similar property. And after arranging the elements, he observed a pattern in them, and on basis of that pattern, he proposed a law. Which is known as Mendeleev's periodic law. So before classifying all the elements, first Mendeleev proposed this law, which is the Mendeleev's periodic law. Students, this is very important law, and most oftenly in the examination such type of law is asked. So Mendeleev periodic law states that the physical and chemical property of an element is periodic function of its atomic mass, and this is the Mendeleev periodic law. Students, what does it mean? What this law states? Students, this law states that when elements are arranged on basis of their increasing atomic mass, then at regular intervals, repetition of elements of similar property take place. This is the meaning of this periodic law of Mendeleev. When elements are arranged on basis of their increasing atomic masses, then at regular intervals, repetition of elements of similar property take place. Okay, so my dear students, by proposing this law, Mendeleev classified all the 63 elements of his time. Students, Mendeleev classified all the 63 elements by making 8 vertical columns, which is known as groups, and 6 horizontal rows known as periods. So students, in 8 groups and in 6 periods, Mendeleev classified all the 63 elements. And in this way, Mendeleev published his classification of elements, and this was till then accepted by the people of the world. Okay, now students, in my next video I will describe before you the important properties of groups and periods of the Mendeleev periodic table. Okay, so I think today it is much more, so you go through it and also go through your NCERT textbook. Till then, goodbye. Thank you very much.